Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Hope everything going well. Before we start, just a simple reminder. Please check the description after watching this video. I have added useful links and the most recent update about VidIQ. If any tools or feature changes, I will update them there. So check it after watching the video. Alright, now let's talk about how you can spy on other YouTube competitions using VidIQ in legal way. So sometimes you see a channel that's growing fast. They are getting views, likes, comment, and you wonder, how are they doing it? What are they doing differently? Well, with VidIQ, you can actually study your competitors and learn from them. First, go to the YouTube channel of your competitor. Now, if you have the VidIQ browser extension, you will see a box on the side of the channel name. Just click on this. Basically, this is the views stat of a channel, like how many views they are getting daily, how many videos they post, how fast they are growing, and many more. This helps you to understand how active they are and how their content is performing. Now, here's a smart part. Click on one of their videos and just click on this overview. VidIQ will show you all the tags they used. Tags are like keywords. These help YouTube understand that what the video about. And by looking at their tags, you can get ideas about your own video. And also, VidIQ gives you something called SEO score. It shows how well their video is optimized. If the score is high, that means they used strong keyword, good title, and the proper description. Like in this video, this is showing the score is 0. That means they didn't use any high SEO keywords and that kind of thing. Now go to their channel again and click on the most viewed videos by going this video tab and click on this popular. Now open this highest getting views of video. You can see which video we talked earlier. They didn't apply any keyword for their video, but in this video they applied some keyword or video tags for this specific video. I was talking about this, and the video score is 35.8. That means they applied some keyword in this video, and still there is a chance to get more views by better optimizing of SEO. Another cool thing is you can set your competitor channel inside VidIQ. Just click here and add to competitor. It will automatically add a competitor in VidIQ inside. By doing this, you can compare your stats with theirs and see how far ahead or close you are. This motivates you and gives you direction. This is all legal, by the way. You are just using public information and smart tools to improve your own content. You are not copying, you are just learning. And don't forget to check how often they upload. If they post 3 times a week and you post once, maybe that's why you are not growing faster. So try to learn their habits, then slowly apply to your own strategy. So yeah, that's how I use VidIQ to study other channels and improve my own. It's like learning from the best without guessing or wasting time. If you want to try this out, I have added the link to VidIQ in the description. You can start with a free version and see the competitors state right away. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.